Welcome to In Jamaica, and if this is your first time here, please subscribe, click the notification bell and stick around to see places in Jamaica. This video is aimed at giving you a general overview, but you can check the video description for added information. Currently, we are driving east on Gilchrist Street in Rollington Town towards Jackson Road. Turning off Gilchrist Street onto Jackson Road, and just left is the Rollington Town Police Station. On the right is Van Street. On the right is Fernandez Avenue. On the left, you will find Crawley Road, and that road will take you towards Dunoon Technical High School. Also here on the left is Vaz Preparatory School. On the right is Preston Road, and the road will take you to Nelson Oval and Kensington Park. On the right is La Selve Avenue. On the left is the Cecile Duffs Early Childhood Development Center. Jackson Road ends, and just ahead is Windward Road. Going right will take you towards downtown Kingston, but we are making the left towards Rockfort. Please remember to subscribe to In Jamaica. Give us a like and share, and thank you all for watching.